Feels like we've been waiting an absolute lifetime for these, but our new wheels are here for the race car. Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be installing our new wheels onto the race car. As I said before, we've had to wait a super long time for these wheels to come into us, so we can relate and sympathise with a lot of customers having to wait long lead times for carbon products or even wheels, for example. But with these particular wheels, we've opted for something that's going to help us fill and accommodate the M&M wide arch kit that we fitted to the car. So we've gone for a wider wheel and really can't wait to get these boxes opened up, show you guys what's inside. So I'll get the car off the dyno and we'll get them unboxed. I've already had a little bit of a sneak peek at this one, but I'll get them all unboxed, we'll get them all laid out and ready to build up. So here we have it, Desmond Regamasters in an 18 by 10. Now we're going to be wrapping these in a Pirelli Trofeo R. Now that's our control tyre for Time Attack series, and we've got plenty of them around us, so we'll be picking a set off the side here and getting them built up. So first wheel's built up and we're using a 265 35/18 tyre. It's gone on there quite nicely. I was worried it was going to be a little bit too stretched, but 265 suits the 10J quite nicely. Now I'm also far too impatient to build the rest of them up, so I'm going to get this first one bolted up and see how it looks. So I've come across one little issue here. As I'm bolting the wheel up, the hub nut that Synchro Motorsport developed for this car was obviously to add and spread a bit of load from the wheel back onto the hub. If I take the wheel off, you'll see what I mean here. So this nut here, it's a bigger lump that's designed to then hold some of the weight of the wheel over the drive shaft itself. I believe that Honda were having trouble with drive shafts snapping. We certainly got a lot of spares with the car once we took delivery of it. But this nut I know was designed specifically. So either we need to machine down our wheel or machine down the hub nut. I'm inclined to machine down the hub nut, as we can then put the wheels front to rear without having too many issues as to which wheels go on the front and which wheels go on the back. So for the time being, I'm going to get this wheel onto the rear, which we know is not going to have any issues fitting up. We'll get the hub nut taken off, I'll run it down to the machine shop, we'll get them turned down slightly and then catch back up once we've got that ready to go. So back from the machine shop, and I've been down to see Frank. He's turned down 2mm off the edge of this, so we're left with 62mm, which will be enough room if we wanted to put a metal hub-centric ring on there afterwards. Then we've still got room to do that. But I've checked that we've got clearance through the wheel now, so we should be able to bolt this up and get the front wheels on the car. So this really looks the part now. I hope you guys agree. Looking at the fitment though, we've gone for an ET25, and looking down the car, it looks like we could probably get away with bringing them out just a little bit more. Maybe could have gone a little bit more aggressive on the fitment. Let us know what you think in the comments below. But for now, I'll get the car flipped around and we'll get the other side fitted up. So there we have it, our new Desmond Regamasters on our race car. It's an 18x10 and an ET25. If you're interested in a set of these, head over to the website as we've got a few of them in stock. We've got silver, white and a set of black coming in shortly. They're all going to be 18x9.5 ET45, and again that's going to be perfect fitment for an FK8 road car. Also very good fitment for an FL5. Some of you may have realised, and particularly the purists in mind, that the car isn't quite complete. And that's because we haven't installed the Desmond stickers onto the wheels just yet. I've got the box of stickers here. So we're going to get the wheels off the car, get them laid down, and we'll get the stickers applied to the wheel before they're then ceramic coated. As people with white wheels will know, white wheels are notoriously difficult to keep clean. So obviously with the ceramic coat, we should just be able to jet them off in between race rounds. So picking back up where we left one of our last track day videos, a few improvements that we wanted to make on the car since we were last out on track. We changed the mirrors back over to the original standard mirrors, which has given us a lot more visibility, but also wanted to shorten this area around the side of the rear diffuser. So the idea really was to see more of the rear tyre. Now that we've got the fitment of the wheels on the car, we can now start to address how this is actually going to look. So the idea, I think, will really be to trim this back nice and neat, close to the edge of the body, but maybe raise the front edge here slightly so we sort of line up along with the centre line of the wheel. If you've enjoyed today's video, give the video a like, hit the subscribe button, and we'll look forward to bringing you the next.